Good morning, everyone. Today I will be presenting the topic cell structure and functions from the subject human anatomy and physiology. This is one of the most basic but very important topic in biology and medicine. It helps us to understand how the human body works starting from the smallest unit, the cell. So cells are the foundation of life. Every living organism from the smallest bacteria to the complex human being, it is made up of cell. In multicellular organisms like us, cells used to combine to form tissues, organ systems that may perform specific functions. So, cell is defined as a basic structural and functional unit of life. All physiological activities begins at the cellular level. Without cells, life cannot exist. So, our human body contains trillions of cells, each with specialized functions. All human cells share three primary components: plasma membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. Plasma membrane, this acts as the outer boundary of the cell, that maintaining its integrity and selectively allowing substances in and out. Cytoplasm, it is a gel-like substance inside the cell that holds organelles and support biochemical activities. The nucleus, it is a control center of the cell containing genetic material DNA that regulates cell growth, repair, and reproduction. Plasma membrane, also known as cell membrane. So it is composed of a phospholipid bilayer with embedded proteins. It is selectively permeable, which means it allows only certain substances to pass through while blocking others. This selectivity is crucial for maintaining the cell's internal environment. Membrane proteins assist in transport, communication, and cell recognitions. This barrier is essential for cell survival, communication, and homeostasis. In cytoplasm and organelles, the cytoplasm fills the space between the nucleus and the plasma membrane. It consists of a cytosol, which is a fluid part, and various organelles. So let's discuss about the organelles. Mitochondria, it is also known as powerhouse of the cell. They generate ATP through cellular respiration. Ribosome. So ribosome is the smallest structure that produce proteins by translating RNAs. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulums: rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So rough endoplasmic reticulum, the membranous system enclosing a cavity, the tunnel, and coiling the cytoplasm. So externally it is studded with the ribosomes. For smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is free of ribosomes. And rough endoplasmic reticulum, the sugar groups are attached to proteins for the tunnels. Proteins are bound in vesicles for transport to the Golgi apparatus and other sites. For smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is a site of lipid and steroid synthesis and lipid metabolism and drug detoxification. Golgi apparatus, so a stack of flattened membranes, associated vesicles close to the endoplasmic reticulum. Then what is the main primary function is the processes, packages, and distributes proteins and lipids. Peroxisomes, so it is a membranous sac of oxidase and catalyze enzymes. So the function most important is enzyme catalyze and break down hydrogen peroxides. Lysosome, so it contains digestive enzymes to break down waste materials and cellular debris. So this is known as stomach of the cell. Then microtubules, microfilaments, intermediate filaments. Microtubules are cylindrical structures made up of tubulin protein which support the cell and give it shape. For centrioles and cilia and flagella if present. Then microfilaments, it is a fine filament composed of the protein actin, involve muscle contraction and type of intracellular movements. Intermediate filaments, it is a protein fiber and its composition may varies. The stable cytoskeleton elements, so the main function is to resist mechanical forces acting on a cell and help form desmosomes. Centrioles, it is mainly involved in cell divisions and it isn't paired. It is the structure is like paired cylindrical bodies composed of nine triplets of microtubules, like combining the nine triplets of microtubules. The nucleus, command center of the cell. The nucleus plays a vital role in regulating all cellular activities, as we see in the first slide itself. It is surrounded by a nuclear envelope which contains pores allowing exchange between nucleus and cytoplasm. Inside the nucleus, nucleolus synthesizes ribosomes and chromatin holds the DNA that control inheritance and cell functioning. The nucleus is like the computer running the software, the genes that control the entire cell. So there are many functions of the cell which provides a wide range of functions. Some of the functions is structural support, which the cell forms a basic framework of tissues and organs. It helps in energy production. Mitochondria, like mitochondria convert glucose into ATP, the energy currency. Then metabolism, thousands of chemical reactions occurs in cells, help maintaining the life helps in maintaining the life. Protein synthesis, proteins are essential for growth, repair, enzymatic activity, and reproduction. Cells can divide through mitosis or meiosis to ensure growth and reproduction. Communication, cells communicate using chemical signals and receptor proteins. So, um, at summary, we can summarize through a cell is a highly organized and dynamic structure. Each part of a cell has a specific role that contributes to the overall function. Understanding the cell structure helps us appreciate how the human body operates and how disease affects the cellular processes. A solid grasp of cell biology is crucial for anyone entering biomedical or health related fields. Thank you for your attention. Thank you so much.